how to change currency on Google Flights. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change currency on your Google Flights account. So Google Flights is an arm of Google that handles your airline travels across the whole world. All right. So once you have a Google account, you will definitely have a Google Flight account. So you don't have to create an account. So now, if you want to book a flight and then you want to change the currency on Google Flights, it's very, very simple. Open your browser and then enter in Google Flights, and then once you're on the page, move to the top left corner of the screen beside the Google logo. All right. It could be on any of this tab. It could be on the travel tab. It could be on Explore. It could be on Flights. It doesn't matter where you want, where the tab is. Just move to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal dots that you can see there. Once you can see those dots, click on it. Then in the options displayed, you'll see travel, explore, flights, hotel, vacation, rentals, change language, change currency. So just click on change currency, and then another box will be displayed. So once this box is displayed, you can see the different currencies available. You can see British pound, euro, Japanese yen, US dollars. You can see the different currencies, as many as you are. So select the currency that you would like to change your current currency to, then click OK, and then just like that, the currency will be changed. You can see, very, very cool, right? Yeah, it is. I really love this. So ensure you try this out. All right, thank you so much for watching to this point, and ensure you practice what you've learned. Have a good day.